In this video, you will learn how to create and edit a HTML content item. A content item is content that can be published or shared to inform, entertain, or engage users. In this video, you will learn how to create and edit a content item. First, let's navigate to the HTML content register. Click on New HTML Content. In the New Content Item box, enter the title and the organizational unit that should have editing permission to the content. Click Create. At the top of the page, you can see various tabs where you can make adjustments regarding the design of the content itself and, importantly, determine the accessibility of the content item. We're now in the HTML Content Editor tab. Some of the tabs on the right will be more relevant for utilizing advanced functionalities. You can read more about the different tabs in the user guide at docs.omega365.com. Let's start with the content itself. You can write in the language of your choice and later select which languages you want the content to be translated into. In the menu bar above the content area, you can make changes to the text and title. You can also upload images, files, etc. Some options in the menu bar have submenus indicated by 3 dots. Some of the submenus have drop-down menus that provide additional choices. The Ingress field is used to give the reader a brief introduction or a description of the content, such as news article. In the author field, you can enter your name. In the header config field, you can determine how the heading of the content item will appear. Below the row of tabs, you'll find several other functionalities. Release Publish is used to publish the content. To learn more about it, you can click on the link in the description below. Insert Snippet. Here, you can add a photo gallery, YouTube video, or other custom functionalities. Copy Download allows you to download a PDF of the content or copy a URL to share. Let's go to the Settings tab and look at some of the other functionalities and attributes you can add to the content item. In the HTML content type field, you can choose the content type. By doing so, it will make it easier for others to find the content when they are searching for it. In the org unit field, select who should have editing permission to the content if you haven't already done so. In the summary field, you can provide a summary description of the content. This applies, for example, when the content will be published on information screens. On such types of surfaces, you would typically provide a brief message or a little piece of information. By clicking in the Summary Image field, you can insert an image that may be displayed alongside the title, Ingress, or summary when the content is published. The Published To field indicates who will have reading access to the content. If you activate the Public button, the content will be accessible without users having to log on to view it. In the To Be Reviewed By field, you specify who will review and approve the content. When you select a name, the individual will receive a notification, and once the content has been reviewed, the name of the selected person will appear in the reviewed by field. The to be reviewed by field will then be cleared. If you want to see a cleaner preview, click on the Preview tab. If you prefer a cleaner screen while producing the content, you can go to the far right of the screen. You'll find a submenu where you can select Full Screen View. In the Files tab, you can see the files you have already uploaded, and you can upload new files. The Show Hide Details button allows you to view file details when selecting the row where the file is located. You've just seen how to create and edit a HTML content item. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.